So everyone sit in upright position. First of all, I have explained you how to sit also. So you all can sit nicely, either in Sukhasana or Vajrasan position. The only few things that you need to take care of when you are doing breathing session especially is that your spine should be erect. Shoulders should be down and relaxed. So the exercise that we did, let's do it together again. So stretch your arm nicely, drop it down so that your shoulders are down and relaxed. Yeah. And just focus on your sit bones first. So you can just move a bit, just observe, just feel your sit bones. Okay, and then come to the center. So you can feel your weight, your body weight on your sit bones, and then you can feel your spine, your tailbone, then your lower back vertebrae, middle back, upper back, neck. Yeah. Until your crown. So just get connect with your spine from tailbone till your crown area. Take a deep breath in and stretch your arms nicely. And as you breathe out, connect to your heart. Stay connected. Observe your breath. Have this intention all the time that I am breathing with each inhale. With each exhale, I am with my breath. Breathe in and out. Observe and feel that breath moving in your chest, in your diaphragm, in your belly. Observe your heartbeat. Now keep your palms over your knees gently. Before we begin the session, we'll just do a simple exercise, body oxygen checks. I'll share my screen with you, basically the clock screen. So there I'll be just keeping a timer, stopwatch basically for 1 minute. Yeah, I think now you can see. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, I'll instruct you, you can take a deep breath in, breathe out from your mouth. Again, inhale normally through your nose only and exhaling through your mouth. Okay, this we will be doing. And once we do this, you will be able to hold your breath. After that, you will be holding your breath. Is it clear to everyone? We'll be holding our breath. Just give me a second. Let me just pin myself. I hope. Okay, for this, we don't need to pin myself. Let me just spot. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay. So everyone ready? I'll just start now. So on my instruction, take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth completely. Pulse lip. Inhale normally. Exhale slightly, whatever the air is left, and hold your breath. Now I have just started the timer and you can see here the count as long as you can able to hold your breath. This you can just make a note. Make sure you are not very forceful of holding your breath. If you have an oxygen meter, we can later you can check with that also. So before and after also we can check what is the improvement in your oxygen level, or is there any variation. So 30 seconds, 33 seconds are done. Make sure you are not at all forceful to your breath. Hold. One second, 1 minute is complete. You can either message me here in the chat box, how much was your breath hold? So this is your initial body oxygen check. The same 1 minute exercise we will do once we finish the session also. Okay, so let's start. First we will do is book breathing. So what we will be doing in this exercise, as I have told you, you'll be keeping one heavy book on your belly. We'll be lying down, a supine posture. So what this breathing exercise helps you? So this breathing exercise helps you to open up your systems first. So we need that space, and when you lie down on the mat, you get that space for your belly to expand nicely and your diaphragm goes down nicely. You are well supported because you are lying down on your back. So you don't need to worry much about your spinal position, whether it is straight or, if you're sitting, you may have a tendency of rolling forward. Okay. So this will be doing so that you yourself will feel that there's a lot of expansion. I'll just show you all and then you can continue. Simple, as you lie down in Shavasana, you will be just keeping this book on your belly, palms facing to the ceiling only. And as I instruct you with inhale, you will just observe the book going up, with exhale, book going down. With your inhale, book will go up, exhale, book will go down. So everyone just lie down, relax yourself nicely. Observe yourself on the mat. Keep your eyes closed, palm facing to the ceiling. Shoulders are relaxed. Your neck, shoulders, your upper back, middle back, lower back, your hips, your legs, knee, calf, feet are completely relaxed. Feet are pointing out. And you may feel a slight outer rotation in your thighs also. Allow them to relax. Take some normal breaths on your own. Now I'll be giving you instructions. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. Inhale and observe the expansion in your chest, belly. Exhale, belly goes in, lungs contract. In, full expansion in your chest area, diaphragm goes down, belly goes out. Exhale, belly goes in, diaphragm back to normal, lungs back. In, out. Breathe in and keep on expanding. Keep pushing the air towards your pelvis. Exhale. In and out. In. Expand fully. Out. Inhale, observe the flow of your breath, expansion in your belly area. Exhale, belly drops. Breathe in, expansion in your chest, rib cage expanded, diaphragm goes down, belly goes out. Exhale, belly goes in, diaphragm contracts, lungs contracts, rib cage back. In, out. Fully aware of your breath and your breath flow. Out. Inhale. As you expand, you create more Akash Tattva in your system. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. With each inhale, you fill your body with all the positive energies. With each exhale, you are releasing all toxics from your body and mind. In and out. In. Feel as if you are breathing through the tip of your fingers and toes. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. Expand and feel this expansion. Allow your belly to go down. Inhale and expand your belly and hold for a few moments. Stay there. Feel the expansion in your belly and hold and observe this expansion. The expansion around your solar plexus region, the rib cage region, your diaphragm region, your belly region. Exhale. Slowly drop. Continue with your normal breaths. Observe. Observe your breath. Observe any emotions that pop up, any thought that pop up. Just accept that. Accept, become aware of it. And slowly release. You are detoxifying your body and mind through your breath. Have this intention that I connect to my breath. My breath is an anchor to keep me rooted in this very present moment, right here, right now. I am with my breath. Now slowly release your book from your belly. Keep it aside, down. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. In and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Observe the expansion in your belly as you inhale and contraction as it drops. In, hold for a few moments, stay there. Observe the previous hold and this hold. And slowly release. Continue lying down. Resume your breath. Your breath is deeper, calmer, slower. Gradually, you can come in conscious position. You can stretch your arms slightly back above your head. Turn towards your right side, and you can gradually come in sitting posture. Hope you all are sitting. So today we'll practice 4-4 breathing pattern of pursed lip breathing that we have done yesterday, as well as 4-8 breathing pattern also today. So let's get ready. I hope you all remember pursed lip breathing. So pursed lip breathing, how we do is we breathe in through our nose and we breathe out through our mouth. So this is a straw, as if you are breathing out through the straw. So very, very narrowed exhalation. Make sure you are having a very, very narrowed exhalation when you are breathing out. So much so that once you keep your palm near to your mouth, okay, see, this is not a much difference, just this much. Not even your one finger, maybe the little finger difference. And you just breathe out. It's very focused at the center of your palm, and you are feeling the warm, moist air once you practice this. Okay, so let's start with pursed lip. You can keep your videos on so that I can see you. Let's continue. Okay, great. Rest of you also, please keep your video on. I can see few people. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your pursed lips. Breathe in through your nose. Feel the expansion in your belly. Exhale, belly button in, breathing out through your mouth, pursed lip. In, out. Inhale through your nose, always. Expansion in your belly. Exhale, belly contracts, breathing out through your mouth. In, out. Inhale through your nose. Feel the warm, moist air on your palm. Out. Keep your left palm in front of your mouth, everyone. In and out through your mouth. First, let's feel the warm, moist air. In, out. We'll go for 4-8. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out. In, out. In, out. Relax, everyone. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your hand down and relax. Keep your eyes closed only. So the next we'll be doing dolphin breaths. So this is a breath holding exercise in which you will be breathing for 3 breaths in 3 minutes. Yeah, 1 breath you'll be taking in 1 minute. 1 breath means 1 breath hold per minute you will be having. So how does that work? Let me just explain you. You can keep your eyes closed only, no worries. So in first breath, we will have a 25-second breath hold and 30-second we'll pause. The second will be your 30-second breath hold and 30-second pause. And in third breath, we will try to hold our breath for 35 seconds. So it's a request to everyone. If you're not able to hold for that much of duration, that is completely fine. You can just hold as long as you can hold. Don't be forceful to your breath, not to your even system too much. Okay, so be very, very gentle. No worries. Okay, so what it does basically, so the goal of dolphin breath flow trigger, it's a breath flow trigger that I have learned, you can say, during my flow code certification. So it temporarily raises your carbon dioxide level in your blood and helps you to achieve that mental and physical relaxation while delivering extra oxygenation to every cell of your body. So as I explained you, it is of 3 breath hold, 1 breath hold per minute, 25-second breath hold, 30-second pause, then again 25, 30-second breath hold in second, and then 35-second breath hold in third. So I want you to just relax. First of all, observe yourself firstly. Okay, observe how you are sitting. Observe your spine, observe your shoulder. If shoulders have come forward, you can just take them back. Inhale, slowly fill your belly with air. Hold your breath now. Keep holding your breath. Yeah, 10 more seconds to go. If you are still holding, 5 more seconds. Exhalation is pursed-lipped only. Slow pursed-lipped exhalation, narrowed pursed-lipped exhalation, and resume your normal breathing, the relaxed breathing. Make sure while you exhale after breath hold, it is again a narrowed pursed lip. This is the way we are training our lungs to improve its capacity. Relax and resume. Now get ready. Inhale nicely. Deep inhale. Hold for 30 counts. Ten-second done. We are halfway. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Release. Exhale, pursed lips, narrowed exhalation. Resume your normal, relaxed breathing. Continue with your breathing. 2 minutes are over. The last 1 minute. Prepare yourself. Inhale now. Hold for 35 counts. Keep holding. We are halfway almost. Last 10 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhalation, slow, pursed lip, narrowed exhalation. And relax, resume your normal breaths. Resume your normal breaths. Keep your eyes closed. Continue with your normal breath. Become aware of your breath flow. Feel expansion in your chest, in your belly area. Now, as you are exhaling and inhaling, prepare yourself for the final body oxygen check. You can open your eyes to see and check your oxygen count. Why we do this also I'll explain you. So everyone just get ready. Take a deep breath in. Fill your belly with air nicely. Exhale completely through your mouth. First lift. Again, take a normal inhale and release the air, whatever is left in your mouth, and hold your breath. And you can see the breath hold count for how long you were able to hold on the screen. As you can see the stopwatch, 10-second done, 15, 20, 25. Don't be forceful at all. As soon as you feel the first hunger to breathe, just breathe, no movement, no push and pull. Just relax. No fighting with yourself. Just breathe. Last 5 seconds for 1 minute hold. And 1 minute is done. Keep your eyes closed. Resume your normal breathing. Continue with your normal breaths. With each breath, you are oxygenating at cell level. With each exhalation, you are throwing the toxics from your body and mind. With each inhale, you welcome new thought patterns in your life. With each exhale, you release all those old thought patterns that no longer serve you. Bring your palms in front of your chest. Little chant on. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and let's do chanting. You can bow your head and just say, I'm grateful to my breath. Just repeat, everyone. I'm grateful to my breath. I'm grateful to my healthy body, mind, and soul. I'm grateful to this whole universe. And with a gentle smile, you can gradually open your eyes. Thank you all. Thank you so much.